now that this is finally here after nearly a year after I originally ordered it, I can finally open it up for you guys. Hi everyone! I wanted to make a fun, quick little video today because today I finally got this package from my shopping service. And I wanted to share the little story with it just because it might be relatable, or it might be a cautionary tale perhaps. So I have this package that I'm going to open. So this package contains items that I purchased from Taobao through a shopping service. This video is not at all sponsored by the shopping service, it's just this service that I happen to use. And it's a service that a lot of people don't like and will warn people to stay away from. I'll just say the shopping service is Yoybuy or Yoybuy. I don't know how it's pronounced, but it's Y-O-Y-Buy, which I have used in the past and I never had any issues with them. Their website has, in my opinion, gone a little wonky recently. It was a lot better back when I used them back in like 2018. 2019, and it has gone a little wonky, but the shopping service is still, I still use the shopping service. So I use them as a forwarding service mostly because they have my Taobao address listed as my warehouse there for in Yoybuy's warehouse. But this was a pre-order, so I had to go through a shopping service to get this item. So what I have in this package today is a release by the Chinese indie brand called Nikki Tomorrow. If you're not familiar with them, they are the ones who made the replicas of, not replicas, they're not replicas. They created physical clothing that looks like the clothing in the mobile game Love Nikki, which I unfortunately didn't get. I really love the strawberry dress that they made, and I really wanted that whole set, but I didn't get it, so I'm just waiting for someone to sell it on Lace Market right now. But a lot of their clothes are really cute, the ones that even are inspired by the Love Nikki game. Like, I don't think this one was. I could be wrong, but I don't think that this set was inspired by Love Nikki. But the story behind this, I ordered this, it was a pre-order, so of course it was going to take a little bit longer than a regular order. So I pre-ordered this, I want to say it was like late spring or early summer of 2020, and it is now March 2021. So of course, like I said, it's a pre-order, so it's going to take a bit because they have to wait for the orders to come in and then make it and then ship it, and then they have to ship it from China to here. But I think that back in January it was ready and it had arrived at the warehouse. And I had them ship it. I chose express shipping because I am impatient. And I didn't even think about the fact that it was like mid to late January and Chinese New Year was coming up, so that was gonna throw a wrench in the whole thing. And I just sat there like staring at the tracking, waiting for it to like say when it was in the US and when it was gonna be on its way here. And I noticed that it kept getting sent out to Beijing's, like their main like hub for mail. It kept getting sent to Beijing and then back to their warehouse and then back to Beijing and back to their warehouse. So I messaged them and I was like, what's going on with this package? And they said it keeps being returned, so we're gonna try to ship it out again. So they did, and in early February I saw that it finally got boarded onto a plane for the US, and then the tracking stopped after that. And I kind of just waited. I was like, maybe they're like quarantining it for some reason. I don't know why they would do that. I don't know what the problem with it was, but I emailed them again and I said, hey, the tracking has stopped moving. Do you know what's going on with this? And they said it's arrived in the US, but they're holding it at a warehouse. So we have to email them and ask them what's going on with the package. And sure enough, the same day, the package starts moving again. So I don't know what was going on with it or why it was like held up for so long, if it got lost somewhere and they finally found it just because the shipper messaged them and was like, hey, where's our package for our customer? But that's the thing about like this shopping service, is a lot of people don't like them. They think they're kind of shady. I don't know what kind of interactions they've had, and at first I was thinking, dang, they're right, like they're being shady, I don't know what's going on. but the only reason why I got my package was because they were on top of it and they were able to get this package to move. So they've been great for me. So I don't have any problem with them. Some people have had bad experiences with them, so take that into consideration when you're thinking about which shopping service to use. So yeah, let me just, now that this is finally here after nearly a year after I originally ordered it, I can finally open it up for you guys. Okay, so what I ordered was a strawberry, like, kind of fun cottagecore set, because I was really feeling, I still feel cottagecore, but I was super feeling cottagecore back in spring of 2020. And then there were some really cute bloomers too from a different set. I'm so excited. I'm already peeking in here and it's so cute. I can see all the lace. So cute. All right, so I think these are the bloomers. This also came with a like a tunic-y set thing, which I can't really see myself wearing. But here are the bloomers. Oh, they're so cute with the little green. See, I love ivory and green. Ivory and green. Such a cute color combo. It's perfect for Mori K. I could wear this as just like comfy under things with Lolita, or I can wear it with Mori K. I believe that these are drawstring. So I could make these, yeah. Whoop. Whoop. So you can make them a little bit more snug around the leg. And it's just like this really nice, I don't know if it's cotton. I don't know what the material is. But it has this nice like texture to it. I thought I felt pockets, but I don't know why they would put pockets in bloomers. Yeah, I'm tripping. Pockets and bloomers though. Yo, someone get on that. Oh, and it has like a little nice ruffly ruffle. Very cute. So these just seem like they're gonna be super comfy. I made sure to get them in like a kind of a large size so that they were gonna be extra comfy. In fact, why don't I just put them on right now? Why the heck not? Let's be comfy. So they hit me at about my knees. Let's see if I can move this. Well, you can't really see. Let's do some Captain Morgan action. They hit me at about my knee, but I'm also like 5 feet tall, so on someone else they might hit above the knee. But again, they have the drawstring, so I could draw them up so I can wear them a little bit higher if I wanted to. So I'm just gonna wear these because they are comfy. Comfy, comfy. Okay, next. Okay, I also got a couple of headpieces. I got the matching headpiece for the set, and then I also got the headpiece that goes with the set with the bloomers, because it's just like a nice green and ivory set. So, boop. So these are just some little rectangle headdresses, and again, I like. Ooh, okay. So I like this one because I could wear this with Lolita and Mori K, because it's just like a nice little rectangle headdress. It's a little long, but I also just have a small head, so that might be the issue there. But I was oohing and ahhing because they had put little alligator clips on it. And I love when they do this because my hair is very slick, so things like to fall off my head. So having the alligator clips really helps. So you can also just like clip it. It's also really great with wigs because you can like shove the clip into the netting of the wig, and it really helps keep things secure. Ta-da! Cute, cute. It's just a nice, simple little rectangle headdress. Well, it's gonna be so perfect with a lot of different coordinates. I'm very excited for this piece. Ah, come off. And again, it's just that nice, like lightweight, ruffly with a cotton lace and some little bows. Just perfect for like a country style coordinate or for Mori K. Very cute. So I can wear that for a lot. And then I'll show this other headpiece with the set. Here's the main piece. It only came in blue, but that's okay. I don't own a whole lot of blue, or like sacks. But it has pops of red, and I do own some red accessories, so I can make it work. Oh my gosh! Oh, they included a garment bag. I was like, this better not be part of the dress because it feels awful, but it's because it's a garment bag. How cool is that? And this is all in Chinese, so I cannot read what that says, but it included a little note. Cute. Okay. Oh my goodness. So this is the main piece. It has little cherry embroidery on it. And some little rufflies and a little overlay. Little rufflies at the shoulders. And I love all of this like corseting. It's not really it's not like, it doesn't act as a corset, but it has that look to it. And then the little red pop buttons. Very nice. It's a little wrinkly, of course, because it's been trying to be shipped for like 3 months at this point, almost. Oh, and there's like more kind of ribbons here. It does have partial shirring in the back. But I just love this. It's very country. You know, you guys know how much I love country stuff. So, ooh, very cute. And it did come with well, there's the bow to go with it. And of course I was sold on this because it came with an apron. A little matching apron to go with it. Oh, so cute. Cute, cute. Of course, I don't think I could wear this with anything else because it's so specific to this set, but it does really help make the set. I think there was an option to buy it without the apron. I'm like, why would you ever do that? Why would you ever want a full set that doesn't come with an apron? I don't know. And then here's the blouse that goes with it too. Kind of a sheer chiffon style blouse, cold shoulder with an extra little ribbon, give it a little bit of whimsy. Interesting. I wonder if that'll come off in the wash. They have like where it looks like they marked the fabric when they were sewing it, but maybe it'll come off in the wash. I hope. I mean, it's not too bad. I hope it comes off. And it has elasticy sleeves. Yeah, so that's the full set. Oh, with the headdress. With the headdress. So the headdress just matches with the blue and the red and like the kind of the corseting effect. And this one also comes with the alligator clips. And I think that I would just clip this and not tie it because the ribbons are kind of more of a decoration than a functional tie ribbon. But I would wear this with a wig because my own hair is too fine and thin to look good with these kinds of headdresses. Yeah. Oh, I feel like a little country maiden. So cute. So cute. The cherries. I'm gonna try on the new set so I can show you guys what it looks like. Be right back.